What science did we concentrate on this year?
Chemistry!
And what is chemistry?
The science of reactions on molecular levels.
What specific classes did we do in chemistry this year?
We did a series of chemistry classes based on holidays.
Such as?
St. Patrick's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, and...
Valentine's Day, did you say that one?
yeah, Valentine's Day.
And what were some other classes that we did besides the holiday chemistry classes?
The ones at Learning Arbor.
And what classes did we do at Learning Arbor?
Educational pyrotechnics and the periodic table. They were fun.
So, let's start with the holiday chemistry classes. What were some of the topics that we learned about?
Crystallization.
We did crystallization for Christmas chemistry.
We did pH levels for Thanksgiving and St. Patrick's Day.
And how about Halloween? What did we talk about?
Dry ice.
That was states of matter, wasn't it?
Yep.
And also, remember we talked about slime as being different kinds of matter, and...
We sure did. I think we also talked about bioluminescence.
Chemoluminescence. What is chemoluminescence?
Chemicals that emit light.
That's right. It's light that's produced by a chemical reaction. What do we do at Halloween that is made of chemoluminescence?
Glow sticks.
And, how about the Valentine's? That was a neat one, wasn't it? What did we do at Valentine's chemistry?
Chocolate tastings.
That was really fun.
Yep, it was.
But we talked about the chemistry of chocolate as well, right?
Yep.
Okay, how about educational pyrotechnics? What did we talk about in that class?
Pyrotechnics and explosives and rocket science.
What were some of the experiments we did in that class?
We made fireworks.
We made some simple fireworks, right?
Yep, and things that produce loud bangs.
And what else did we do in that class?
We had fun.
That was a fun class, wasn't it? How about the periodic table class?
That was fun too. We studied the periodic table and alkali earths and alkali metals and noble gases.
We studied the different chemical families, didn't we?
Yep.
Do you remember an activity we did in that class that you particularly liked?
The game where we tried to guess which elements made up the most of Earth's atmosphere, and basically the elements were supposed to were little jelly beans and other assorted candies in a triangular bottle, and I got to eat some of them after that.
That's right. We had the same percentage of different colored candies that represented the different elements in the air or in the earth.
And we also made an atom made entirely out of candy.
And how about
a model of an atom?
And did we make an edible periodic table?
Yep.
You like
Mine's
that?
still downstairs. I didn't get to eat it.
I know, but you liked that project, didn't you?
Yep.
What do you think was your favorite experiment of all these different experiments we did this year? Which one do you think was your favorite?
My science experiment.
Oh, you mean your science fair experiment?
Yep.
What was your science fair experiment about?
pH levels of organic and conventional food.
Well, it wasn't pH levels.
Vitamin C levels of organic and conventional oranges. I found that fresh ones are the best, no matter if they're organic or conventional.
Right. We thought that there'd be more vitamin C in organic fruit, didn't we? But it didn't turn out that way, did it?
Yep. It's just better with fresh fruit instead of organic or conventional.
Right. You did a really good job on that project, hon. And how about in our other chemistry classes? Did you have a favorite experiment of all of those?
The ones that we did with dry ice.
Oh, yeah, dry ice is really fun, isn't it?
Yep.
Any other experiments you particularly remember, you particularly enjoyed?
That one where you had the exploding paint can.
Oh, the exploding paint can, when we add calcium carbide to water and it produced acetylene gas that exploded when we lit it.
Yep, and we had a fun Diet Coke and Mentos experiment too. I got all wet.
Yeah, we've had a really, really good year doing chemistry this.
Woo!